Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to log into your Taimi account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see that I have already installed Taimi app from my Play Store. You can also get it in App Store or Play Store and then simply tap on it. You're into the very first section where you can log in with Google, with Snapchat, with Facebook, or simply sign off if you do not have an account. Since we do have an account and I'm going to sign in with my email address, I'm going to tap on the sign in option on the top right corner of the list. Now you can enter your email address, then your password, and when you're done, you can tap on sign in option below. And you can see that just by tapping on it, I am logged into my own account, and this is my particular profile's homepage. So this is how you do it. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.